Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yakayake Africa and you're so welcome. So guys, in today's video you're going to learn how another local food is prepared. We're going to learn how yakayake is made. Yakayake is a local food from the Ewe people. It's made out of grated cassava and it's steamed. So I'm actually late with the time they have given me. It's becoming a habit. I have to stop. But then yes, I want to go there and then do the video for you guys. So come with me and let's go. Okay guys, so let's make some yakayake. So you start off by putting some cassava dough. This is not just any cassava dough, this is specially milled for this process. And then you add a little bit of water to form paste, not too watery, not too runny. And then you basically use your hands to kind of mix it. And that way it's called ele ammonium, which means she's mixing the dough. And now she's going to take this washcloth and she's going to take a generous amount of the cassava dough, and then she's going to put it in it, cover it well so that there's no spills from the sides. And then in another clean bowl she's squeezing it. She's just going to squeeze it to the best of her ability. The goal is to be able to get the water out, as much water out as she possibly can, and to get the dough to be still moist but then kind of dehydrated. You can't use the dough that is too runny or all of that to make yakayake, because you'll be making something else if it's not dry. So this is a wooden sieve that is made locally. She's just going to pour the contents of the washcloth on it, and then she's going to, I'm just basically crumbling it so that you guys can see how dehydrated and how kind of moist it is. Yeah, so as you can see, there's not too much, there's no water in it basically, like it's moist but then it's also dry as well. Alright, okay guys, so we're about to sieve the squeezed, let me say dehydrated corn dough, and then we're going to sieve it with some salt and some corn flour. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the wooden sieve. It's made from, I think, palm fronds that is skillfully made into smaller strands, and then it is woven together and woods are put at the end to secure it. So what she's doing right now is she's crumbled the cassava dough that we have squeeze the water out of, and then she's adding some salt and a little bit of corn flour to it. And then this is the process you use to sieve it. You basically put the particles that you're about to sieve on top of it, then you put a basin below it to collect whatever is being sieved, and then you run your hands up and down and then in a side to side motion or in a circular motion, and then to sieve it, and then occasionally you will hit it so that it will go through the tiny shafts that has been made to collect for the particles to pass through in order to sieve it. And then when you're done, you're going to have some chaff at the end. You have to try not to sieve it in, and then you just collect it and then put it aside. Alright, so this is the clean basin that we have sieved the cassava dough in. So as you can see, because it's dehydrated, it kind of has this loose consistency. It's not sticking together unless you kind of make a fist, then it's going to like hold together, but then it will crumble as soon as something else comes in its way. So what we're basically doing is to mix it properly so that the salt and the corn flour that we have added to it before sieving will be well, spread out into the mixture. So now this small yellow cup is used to measure what we'll be using to make the yakayake. So we use 1 cup per yakayake. Yeah. So what she's doing right now is to take the dishcloth and then put it on. Then she takes off the excess from the previous one that she had already made and put it aside so that it doesn't stick to it and become a mess. Then she's putting a little bit of corn flour over it, and then she's adding the 1 cup of the cassava dough mixture, and then she's spreading it well. Then she's putting the silverware on top of it. Yakayake is done using a steaming method, so that's why you have to cover it. What she's doing right now is using a stick to run into the charcoal fire to get rid of the ashes, and then she's adding more charcoal so that the fire can be more ablaze and can cook the food faster. And then she's checking if it's ready and if there's anything she needs to do. Yeah, so this is just me trying to do what she's doing and then having some fun on the way. Yeah. Then she's going to put the dishcloth over it again, and then she's going to pour some corn flour over it. Same process we just put in there. So you put a little bit of cassava mixture, the washcloth, and then you put the cassava dough. So this is the cassava mixture on top of it, and then you cover it. Okay. Alright guys, so for how they put the water into the thingy to steam it, this is a bowl of water, and then this is how the steaming pot looks like. It's made of clay, right? It's made of clay, and then it's just like a bowl, and then there's holes made in it. So she's going to pour the water inside. She's going to pour the water into the bowl, and it's going to go down the holes into the can. Makia. Makia. Alright guys, so she's saying that when it's done cooking, it changes color. So when you take a close look at this, you see that like the color is not really as bright as the thingy itself. I don't know how to call it. It's not dough, some kind of semi-solid dough powder like mixture. So yeah, so we're going to take it off now. I'll cover. She's just putting some corn flour over it, and then she's pouring the cassava dough mixture over it, and then she's just going to cover it with the bowl as well. Okay guys, so I'm buying 5 CDs. One is 50 pesos, so then I should be getting about 10 pieces. So she's gonna sell it to me. Alright guys, so before I end this video, my mom said to tell you guys that Yakayake is not the only method used to do it. You can do it at home with a saucepan and a colander, and then as you could see when she was doing it, there was some kind of dough at the edges. It is used to seal it so that the steam doesn't evaporate from the sides. So you just take some corn dough or whatever dough you have in the house, and you seal the sides of the pot where the pot and the colander meet, to prevent the steam from going away. Then you can do this at home yourself. So this mostly the forms of packaging that are available across Ghana, and then she's just going to tie it and then she's going to give it to me. So yeah. Alright, everybody. I'm done. I'm tired. Anyway, so I bought some and I'm about to go home. The main transportation systems here is bicycles, motorcycles, and loading taxis or chartered taxis. There's no trotro here like in Accra. And when I was coming, I took a motorbike. But as I'm going home, I don't know what my options are, so I just pick whatever. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on the transportation systems here. And yeah, I'm tired. Peace out, guys. Let's go home. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know which part of the video or which part of the process was your favorite, and let me know what food you would, what soup or stew or fish or like pretty part you would like to eat this with. And let me know if you enjoy content like this that I keep going out filming for you. If you have any special food you'd like me to cover on how it's made as well, can you let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely have that down for you. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.